Did you know that over 60% of Fortune 500 companies are already using AI to make financial decisions? Surprisingly, many everyday people still believe that AI is just about robots, chat, or futuristic gadgets. But what if I told you that AI is quickly becoming an essential tool for making money? If you don't learn how to harness it, you might find yourself left behind. Let me ask you this: if AI can help Wall Street banks make billions, why can't it help you build wealth too? Today, I'm going to provide you with a complete beginner's blueprint on how to get rich using AI, even if you've never invested before, never started a side hustle, and barely understand what AI actually is. By the end of this video, you will not only know how AI can help you build wealth, but also how to take your first practical steps today. Here's the problem. Most people believe that building wealth requires years of hard work in a corporate job or being born into a wealthy family. They think financial freedom is only for Silicon Valley geniuses or stock market experts. However, the truth is that AI has leveled the playing field. The same technology that helps hedge funds trade stocks, Amazon recommend products, and Tesla drive cars is now available to you and me right on our laptops and phones. Here's my promise. If you follow this beginner's blueprint, you'll learn how to use AI to make smarter money decisions, start profitable side hustles, and even invest like the wealthy do, without needing insider knowledge. Think of AI as your financial partner. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't get emotional, and it can analyze opportunities faster than any human ever could. Let's break this blueprint down into 5 clear, beginner-friendly steps. Step 1. Utilize AI as your personal financial advisor. Before diving into investments, side hustles, or a business, start small. Let AI become your personal financial coach. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or even budgeting apps powered by AI can help you. Create a personalized savings plan, track your spending, and pinpoint areas where you can make savings. Set realistic financial goals. For example, imagine you want to save $10,000 in 1 year. Instead of figuring this out manually, you could ask an AI budgeting app, how can I save $10,000 in 12 months if I earn $4,000 per month? It can provide you with a step-by-step plan, such as cutting $300 from dining out, reducing subscriptions, and automatically transferring $800 into savings. This is like having a financial advisor without the $200 per hour fee. Step 2. Use AI to start a low-cost, high-profit side hustle. Now we come to the exciting part. AI isn't just about saving money, it's also about making money. Currently, some of the fastest-growing side hustles are AI-powered, such as print-on-demand t-shirts, where AI generates designs that you sell online. Freelancing with AI tools, create resumes, copywriting, or logos in minutes. YouTube content creation. People are using AI to generate scripts, research, and assist with video editing. Think of AI as a power tool. You could try cutting wood with a handsaw, which is slow and difficult, or you could use a power saw, which is fast and efficient. AI is the power saw for business. Even if you've never designed anything or started a business, AI removes many of the barriers. Step 3. Invest smarter with AI tools. This is where the wealthy have a significant advantage. AI is revolutionizing the investment landscape. There are AI-driven robo-advisors and platforms, such as Betterment and Wealthfront, as well as AI stock screeners that can help you build a diversified portfolio. Automatically rebalance when market conditions shift. Minimize emotional decision-making, which is where most beginners tend to lose money. However, it's important to understand that AI isn't a magic money machine. It's not about getting rich quickly. Instead, it focuses on eliminating human mistakes, such as panic selling, chasing market hype, or forgetting to rebalance. For example, imagine you invest $500 per month. With AI's automated portfolio rebalancing and the power of compounding returns, you could easily surpass 6 figures in a decade without requiring much effort. Everyday ways you can use AI to boost your income. Many people don't realize that you don't need to be a tech genius or an experienced stock trader to earn money using AI. In fact, there are straightforward, everyday ways to leverage AI that can directly enhance your income. Let's explore a few options. AI for freelancing and online gigs. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are brimming with opportunities where clients are willing to pay for services that AI can help you deliver quickly. Need a blog post? Artificial intelligence can draft it while you polish the final product. Need a professional resume? Artificial intelligence can create clean, tailored version in an instant. Need logos, social media captions, or marketing emails? Artificial intelligence can handle the heavy lifting. The key here is simple. Don't sell AI services. Rather, sell solutions. Clients are more concerned about receiving fast, professional results than whether you used AI. And here's the kicker. If you charge $50 for a blog post and AI helps you create it in just 30 minutes, you've effectively unlocked a $100 per hour skill set. AI for e-commerce and print on demand. Another beginner-friendly way to earn is by combining AI with print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. AI art generators can design t-shirts, mugs, or posters, which you can upload to these platforms. Every time someone makes a purchase, you earn a profit. Consider this: people spend billions each year on novelty gifts, motivational apparel, and humorous merchandise. With AI, you don't need design skills. You just need creative ideas and knowledge of trending niches. For example, imagine using AI to create a series of gym motivational t-shirts or pet lover designs. You won't need to manage inventory, as the platform handles production and shipping for you. This makes AI your silent design partner, working around the clock. Artificial intelligence-powered content creation. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog, AI can make the process 10 times easier. Artificial intelligence can help research trending topics. It can draft video scripts. It can assist with editing, thumbnail creation, and SEO-friendly titles. Why does this matter? Content creation is one of the most potent wealth-building tools in today's world. A single viral video or blog post can generate passive income through advertisements, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. AI significantly reduces the barriers to entry, meaning you don't need a massive budget or a dedicated production team. You only need consistency to succeed. AI in personal finance. Let's not overlook the small daily wins. AI is not just about side hustles. It can help you retain more of the money you already earn. Numerous apps now utilize AI to scan your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't use. Analyze your bills and suggest cheaper alternatives. Predict your cash flow and receive alerts before overspending. These small changes may not seem significant, but they accumulate over time. For instance, cutting just $200 of unnecessary spending each month amounts to $2,000 a year, money that can be invested or allocated toward your side hustle. Why this matters? Here's the main point: AI enhances your time and skills. Even if you don't have a business degree, a design background, or investing experience, AI provides shortcuts that were once only available to professionals. Imagine it this way: in the past, earning extra money often required taking on a second job and working late nights. Today, with AI, you can generate a side income without experiencing burnout because the heavy lifting is automated. This is why AI represents one of the greatest wealth-building opportunities of our generation. Step 4. Learn to spot AI-powered opportunities early. Every significant tech shift creates new millionaires. In the 90s, it was the internet. In the 2000s, it was social media. In the 2010s, it was cryptocurrency. Now, it's AI. By starting to learn about AI tools, startups, and industries now, you'll be able to identify trends before the average person does. For example, AI-driven healthcare startups are on the rise. Cybersecurity companies are expanding rapidly. Even small businesses using AI marketing tools are seeing their profits double. What should beginners do? Don't just consume AI, get involved. Learn how to use these tools in your work, or consider investing small amounts in AI-focused ETFs. Step 5. Scale with AI automation. The final step is where real wealth is built: scaling. Once you've utilized AI to save money, start a side hustle, and invest wisely, the next move is automation. Artificial intelligence can manage customer emails for your small business, automatically generate marketing campaigns, instantly analyze financial reports. Think of it this way: while most people are restricted by the number of hours they can personally work, AI allows you to multiply your time. It's as if you could clone yourself, and the clone never gets tired. This approach is how you can evolve from making an extra $500 a month to building a 6- or 7-figure business over time. Let's discuss mindset. Here's the truth: AI won't make you rich, you will. AI is merely a tool, albeit a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. What matters most is how you choose to utilize it. Many people fall into two traps. They dismiss AI as just hype and ignore its potential. They believe AI is magic and expect instant wealth without effort. The right mindset is AI is your leverage. It enhances your ability to make smart decisions, promotes good habits, and expands your opportunities. However, you still need discipline. It's essential to start small, remain consistent, and continue learning. A gym membership won't make you fit, but if you use it every day, it can transform you. Artificial intelligence operates similarly. So, here's my challenge to you: don't just sit back and watch others get rich with AI. Start today. Choose one AI tool to help you save money. Select one AI-powered side hustle to generate income. Invest a small amount of money in an AI-powered investment platform. That's it. Small, simple, powerful steps. Those who take action now will be the ones living financially free in the next 5 to 10 years. If you're serious about building wealth in the age of AI, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, I share smart money strategies designed for people like you, those who want to break free from financial stress and build a future they can be proud of. And before you go, drop a comment below. What's your savings or investment goal for this year? Is it $5,000? $10,000? Or maybe your first $100,000? Let's embark on this journey together. Because the truth is, the age of AI isn't coming, it's already here. The only question is, will you use it to create wealth, or will you let this opportunity pass you by? The choice is yours.